3T Magnum for the 66 Farmhouse Barracuda. This little quick tips and tricks. What I seemed to really struggle on this as soon as I started diving in was trying to get those little tubular sleeves out, because I just wanted to make it easier to pull these guys out and check each plug, see how the condition was of everything. And all of them seemed to go except for one, and I fought that with vice grips forever, shooting WD-40 in there, using the torch multiple times. Finally just got it at the right spot and popped it out. But the idea of using WD-40 in tight spaces of going around, hence like right here for the dipstick tube deal I'm going to talk about, it really works out. So yeah, a little bit of WD-40, shoot it in, in a circle wherever that sleeve's going to go, and just use the torch, kind of heat it up a little bit, and that's what I did right here. And then there's this little tab that was sticking out attached to the dipstick that attaches itself to the bracket that sits up here to keep it secured in place. And basically tapping that with a little bit of heat, and then the WD-40 that kind of worked its way down, it helped expand it and slid right out, no problem. And then I also used the impact very carefully, along with using a little bit of heat from the torch on these corners, and they came out no problem. So I'm really stoked and surprised about that. So far this 318 is looking pretty good. I'm pretty excited to use it, get it all cleaned up. It's not the absolute prettiest one I've had. Got to clean up a little bit there, but it's definitely not terrible. I've seen worse. This thing had 170,000 miles on it when it came out of a Dodge truck, and also had a manual behind it, so I got to figure out how to get that pilot bushing out of the back of the crankshaft. That's going to be interesting. Some people use bread. Looks like somebody attempted to use grease, so they didn't get it out quite all the way. So yeah, that's that 3T Magnum.